Cisco Firepower and HashiCorp's Terraform series, infrastructure as code, focusing on day 0 and day 1 deployments. In this video, we're going to focus on port objects. All right, let's jump right to it. Let's go to GitHub and look at DevNet's contribution here, and you can see they've got a couple things happening here. They're looking at an existing object, and then they're recreating it with a new name, and then you can see here they've remmed out a brand new created object. And then we've got some outputs. All right, let's modify this slightly for our use case. Let's look at var.tf, that's our variables, and then the the Terraform TF-vars, which is the data supporting the variables, and then main.tf. This is where everything's going to happen. We've remmed out pretty much everything. We're just going to create a very simple object using TCP port 8888, and then we're going to output those objects. And that's it. It's a pretty simple, so you can have a collection of objects that you want to create all in this piece of code, and go ahead and deploy. So let's initialize Terraform. Enter a password here. And initialized, let's go ahead and run our apply. Now apply is going to give us an opportunity to look at the plan that we're going to end up deploying. If we're happy with that, we can go ahead and hit yes. If not, you could select no. The nice thing too is when you initialize and when you do plan and apply, it looks too to make sure the code is satisfying the needs of the deployment. So let's go ahead and hit yes. We're good with this. We're creating an object and we're outputting the object. And it should be done shortly. Let's see here. All right. Still creating. Again on that Intel NUC, running VM workstation with with ESXi, and on top of that, a bunch of virtual machines, including Firepower Management Center and Firepower Threat Defense. Now we're searching 8888, and you can see there we go. That port is called out. It is TCP. Let's go ahead and destroy that. Auto approve, so we won't get a chance to look at the plan before we deploy it. And that's it. Bingo bango, done. Let's quickly refresh, and it's gone. Magic.